Statement of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Cambodia lodges strong protest and objection against Thailand's intention to apply its domestic law on Cambodian nationals. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation has officially registered the royal government of Cambodia's strong protest and objection against Thailand's intention to apply Thai domestic law on Cambodian nationals in Chok Che and Prey Chan villages, O Bay Chorn Commune, Odrov District, Banteay Mianchi Province. 1. On the 18th of September 2025, the spokesperson of the 1st Military Region of the Royal Thai Army issued a public warning on the application of Thai domestic law against Cambodian nationals, which includes the imposition of penalties up to life imprisonment or even the death penalty for so-called acts against Thai sovereignty. This followed incidents on September 17, 2025, where Thai security forces used tear gas and rubber bullets against Cambodian villagers in Prey Chan village, where Thailand recently used force in an attempt to exert territorial sovereignty. 2. Thailand's assertion of domestic law in disputed territory circumvents the fundamental obligation under Articles 2.3 and 2.4 of the United Nations Charter, which require the peaceful settlement of disputes and prohibit the use of force against another state's territorial integrity. Applying severe criminal penalties, including capital punishment, against Cambodian nationals engaged in peaceful protest also constitutes a grave violation of fundamental human rights guaranteed under international law. Such actions directly violate the freedom of peaceful assembly and association, a core norm under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, to which Thailand is a party. Thailand's action is also in breach of the ASEAN Charter and the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation, TAC, which oblige member states to refrain from provocative acts and to settle disputes peacefully. 3. Thailand's intention to enforce its domestic law on Cambodian nationals peacefully protesting is a clear demonstration of Thailand's use of force to assert sovereignty over an area that has not yet been demarcated, fundamentally violating Thailand's own treaty obligations and commitments under the Memorandum of Understanding between the Government of the Kingdom of Cambodia and the Government of the Kingdom of Thailand on the Survey and Demarcation of Land Boundary, MOU 2000, which is the foundational framework for addressing unresolved boundary matters. Additionally, the above action directly interferes with the Joint Boundary Commission's mandate to survey and demarcate the boundary as stipulated in Article 2 of the MOU 2000. 4. Cambodia calls on Thailand to cease all activities that undermine efforts to de-escalate the situation as mutually committed under the ceasefire agreement of 28 July 2025, and the agreed minutes of the General Border Committee (GBC) dated 7 August and 10 September 2025. The Royal Government of Cambodia reaffirms its consistent and unwavering commitment to seeking an amicable resolution to all boundary disputes with all its neighbors through peaceful means in accordance with international law, while remaining resolute in upholding its principled position that borders must not be changed by force. The Kingdom also reserves all its rights under international law and does not consider Thailand's assertions of domestic law to have any legal effect or prejudice to the joint survey and demarcation process. Phnom Penh, 20 September 2025.